If you do prune your tomato plants, they will produce much more flowers and eventually more fruit. And in this video, we will see how you can prune your tomato plants correctly at home. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pruning tomato plants provide us many benefits. This includes the fast and disease-free growth of leaves, plant producing much more flowers and fruit. Pruning also reduces the chances of diseases a lot, means the air and sunlight will be able to pass through the stems, resulting in lesser diseases and pests. With pruning, a plant grows thicker and stronger branches. Overall, the plant gets stronger and more resistant. Buds appear frequently, and most of the flowers will be converted into the fruit if the plant is stronger. So, overall, pruning tomatoes is a super beneficial thing if done correctly. One most important thing to understand before pruning tomato plants is the correct time and season. You can't just go and prune your tomato plants. It may not respond well. When your tomato plant is growing well, making more leaves and stems, this is the time to prune it. When it's not growing, pruning has no use. Tomato plant grow well in all season long, means in their growing season, the growth is at its peak. This is the most ideal time for pruning. You will cut the plant and it will push even more branches and buds because it's growing at this stage. In the off season, like in summers when the plant is under dormancy, pruning has no use. Plant won't grow any new branches, so just prune your tomato plants when they are growing, especially in their growing season. Now let's know the correct way to prune tomato plants. First of all, take a sharp and clean cutter. You can buy one from the description below. If you already have one, clean it with hydrogen peroxide. It's also added in the description below to buy. Look for the branches that are going long and leggy. Cut them off around 1 to 2 inches or up to the level you want. If the branches are not leggy, just chop off the growing heads around 1 to 2 inches. Make a sharp and clean cut. You can also cut the lower leaves. They cause fungal issues, and if you cut them, the sunlight and air will be able to pass and reach the soil. Remove all the yellow and drying leaves too. They have no use to the plant except attracting more diseases. Tomato plants also grow such kind of stems from the base. They are called as suckers. They are fast growing, energy sucking branches. You should cut them off so the plant can focus on fruiting and flowering. Here you can also subscribe to our channel for more videos. After you did the pruning, now one most important thing is the fertilizing. Means you can supply the plant energy and nutrition so it can produce more stems and buds. I use this homemade organic fertilizer. It's made just for vegetables. Video on this is added in the description below. Make it and apply it every time you prune your tomato plants. Following a correct way, you can prune all kind of tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes, Roma, cherry, etc. All varieties can be pruned this way. This is the standard method. There are also a few do and don'ts of tomato plants pruning, so let's know about them. Always clean the cutter before pruning. Always do the pruning when the plant is growing well, never in the off season. Use a sharp cutter and make a clean sharp cut. Don't spray water on a freshly pruned plant. Once you pruned a plant, then clean the cutter before using on another plant. This will protect your plants from diseases. It's all about pruning of tomato plants. Here is a video on tomato plants leaf miners treatment. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.